Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Gold Power King. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Hari Govind TK, and the EA is priced at 50 US dollars to buy or 30 US dollars to rent for a month. It's on version 1.25. And a quick note, the listing title uses Gold Power King, but the description itself refers to it as Gold RSI M1 Scalper. All right, so just be aware those two names refer to the same product. Now, scrolling into the description, this is built for high velocity M1 scalping, all right, primarily on XAU USD, along with major pairs like Euro USD, combining an RSI based momentum engine with dynamically calculated micro support and resistance levels for stop loss placement. Okay, going through the key features, there is a built-in news filter pausing activity around high-impact events, a smart trailing stop-step system, basket profit targets set in dollars, and what the listing describes as cross-broker margin protection designed to handle variable spread and volume conditions automatically. Now, under specifications, this runs on the M1 time frame and it supports XAU USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD. Works with both netting and hedging account types. And the listing states that it is designed to work on any retail account size, through fractional lot pre-validation. Okay, so now let us get into the back test that I ran myself. But before then, let's see what the seller provided for us here. Starting with the equity drawdown that we can see here, it looks pretty smooth. The balance and equity are closely knit to each other, but I can see that the test was run just over about 3 weeks plus, from the 1st of June 2026 to around 24th June 2026. But the curve looks quite steady. It was a steady growth over time. And looking at the result here, it shows initial deposit $100, net profit over $6,000. Wow, over 3,000 trades taken, 65.92% win rate. Okay, I can see that the maximum consecutive wins were 17, pretty impressive, yielding $239.4. Consecutive losses were 9, just $80.8. Okay, let's head over to our strategy tester, the test I conducted myself. Okay, and let us see how the EA performed. So the test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net profit of just under $11,740. Let us break down how it got there, because the scale of activity here is worth understanding first. All right, this test covered XAU USD on M1 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026. With history quality at 100%. All right. Now, across just under 20,000 total trades, which is an extremely high volume, reflecting the M1 scalping approach, the win rate came in at just under 59%. Okay, so here's the detail worth flagging directly. The profit factor came in at just 1.06, essentially a very thin edge per trade, meaning that this result came from a large volume of trades compounding a small statistical advantage rather than from any individual trades carrying significant weight. All right. And then on top of that, the balance drawdown stayed at 12%, but the equity drawdown reached nearly 28%. So it's a meaningful gap, suggesting periods of larger floating exposure than the closed trade numbers alone would show. All right. The recovery factor came in at 4.19, but given how thin the per trade edge is, this is a result that could shift meaningfully with even small changes in spread, slippage, or broker execution quality, given the sheer number of trades involved. All right. So, briefly looking at the equity curve here from my test, the balance and equity are also very close to each other, just similar to what we saw on the MQL5 Marketplace page. Okay. And there was quite a steady growth. It was a period of stagnation here first, before a period of stagnancy before the rise started, and then it seemed to start going sideways. The equity and balance started going sideways from around April. It was just going sideways. All right, so it seems like most of the gains were accumulated within the first quarter of the year. The test covered about 6.5 months, so it seems to be within the first 3 months that most of the gains were accumulated. All right, so I'm going to recommend testing this expert advisor specifically, with your own broker's real spread and commission structure, since a thin per edge since a thin per trade edge across this many trades is highly sensitive to execution cost. So who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have observed so far, based on the analysis that we have done so far, the net result was pretty strong, over 100% profit, but it rests on a very thin per trade statistical edge multiplied across a huge number of trades, almost 20,000 trades. All right, which makes execution quality especially important here. Now, as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable. All right, so you want to test with your specific broker's real trading conditions before considering live use. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.